Hi and welcome, this is Zilla. I'm back again with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing this bad boy, the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Now this was loaned to me by Samsung. I have ordered my own version in the white that should be coming on Friday, I think, 5 days from the making of this video. And this is the Cobalt Violet, check that out, 256 gig. I'm going to be comparing it to my S25 Ultra and the Z Fold 7. So you can see the sort of design language Samsung's going with on this. So, simple, plain box. Let's get these tabs off. Excuse me, I don't have fingernails. And of course it goes wrong. Classic me, classic. And that's off. Oh yes, satisfaction. Now let's see if this pops off easily. Oh, I feel it. Oh yes, oh yes. Let's have a look what's in the lid first. Let's see, there's always something hidden in the lid, guys. So we've got the charging cable, energy information, whatever that is, warranty card, compliance thing, quick start guide, but we don't need that. We're pros, right? We're pros. And if you can see in there, SIM ejection tool. Anyway, we don't want to see that boring stuff, but it is an unboxing. Since they don't put chargers, cases, nothing like that anymore in the box, you know you need to do a little bit more to lengthen out these videos. Check out that color. Whoa. That is a mystical, mystical violet. And pull it out. Ooh, have a look at that. What do you guys think of that color? If you haven't seen my colors video, check that out. Ooh, satisfaction. My colors video, I compare all of the different colors with each other. Look at that color, that is nice. Let's take this sucker off. Let's get rid of that, because ugly as sin. Ugly. Oh, come off. Check that out. That is beautiful. Camera module. My camera's going crazy trying to focus. You see what I mean about the sort of lightish violet? And you see how the color changes with the light? I mentioned this on my colors video. So it goes from a sort of a violety kind of slight violet to a sort of a grayish color. It is really nice, this one. Let's compare it to my S25 Ultra, so you guys can get a kind of a look at that. It seems a little bit, tiny bit shorter than the 25 Ultra. I mean, check that out. You can see the camera modules have changed because they've got an island now. It's probably to strengthen up the whole thing, I think. This has got bigger rings around the lenses, if you see that. And this hasn't. And thickness wise, it is slightly thinner than the S25 Ultra. Just slightly. You see that? Definitely feels lighter. Definitely feels lighter. There you go again. Another interesting thing here. Let me show you here. You see the power button on the new one? It's slightly bigger. Slightly bigger than the S25 Ultra, which I think is better. Makes it much easier to press. And before you ask, the cases that were for this phone, the 25, will not fit on the 26. I've tried them. And let's have a look at the bottom comparison. And everything at the bottom, everything in the bottom is the same. Now, one thing you should know, S Pen. You see this? Tip of the S Pen. So it's curved on one side. So it'll only go in a certain way. So if I put it in this way, if you can see, let me put this down. If you can see it's sticking out on the edge. See that bump? So it can only go, it clicks in, but you can only put it in one way if you don't want that end bit clicking out. That's because of the curves here. See the curves? Whereas the 25 Ultra doesn't have that problem. You click this out, pull it out, turn it round, put it in, no problem. Doesn't jut out, nothing. It's simply because of the curves on this. Now let's bring in the Z7 Fold or Z7, whichever country you're from. Now you can see, look how much bigger the cameras are on the 26 Ultra. Look massive by comparison to the Fold. Massive. Check that out. That is a big difference. Surprising, actually, surprising. Didn't realize that. Now if you compare the thickness as well, line that up. I mean, the Fold is remarkable. The technology, that the way they've made it so thin. Look at that. You kind of get an idea of, for those of you not sure which one to buy, when this is closed, it's less wide. It feels thinner than the Ultra. It feels thinner than the Ultra. I'm not sure. Now, of course, I've got to set up the S26 Ultra. And has it got any battery? Battery, come on, battery. Oh, yes, we've got power. Power. I'm not going to set up now. That's boring as hell, and you guys don't want to see that. Just let me know in the comments below what you think of this. Let me lay them out for you. And I'll be unboxing the white S26 Ultra come Friday, hopefully. Bit wonky. So there you have it, guys. Simple, old school, unscripted, codswallopy, baloney-ish S26 Ultra unboxing. I didn't want to script it. I want to be off the cuff. But what do you think of that? What do you think of the color? What do you think of the design compared to the Fold and the S25 Ultra? Let me know in the comments below. I will leave links. Oh, before I forget, I've got a discount code for anyone who wants to pre-order the S26 Ultra, the new Buds, and the new Galaxy Book 6 and 6 Pro. I will leave that in the description below. Check that out. I'll give you 5% if you want to pre-order any of those things. Well worth it. I get a little kickback. You guys get 5% off. 5% is 5%. You know what I mean? Money's money end of the day. And it's a fair amount when you consider how much these things cost. So definitely check that out. And I'll leave links as well where you can actually go straight to them on Samsung's device and stuff and pick them up. Anyway, guys, take care and peace.